In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to take screenshots on a Mac using simple keyboard shortcuts and built-in tools. And you don't need any third-party apps or software, so just follow my steps. This tutorial will work on your MacBook Pro and Air devices, your iMac, your Mac Mini, and all other Mac devices that you may have. And here are 3 simple keyboard combinations which we will use in order to take a screenshot. You can take a full screenshot, and that will capture everything on your screen currently. You do this by simply pressing the Shift key, Command, and the number 3 at the same time. Once we do take a screenshot, it will appear on our desktop automatically, and you can see it here. There are 2 more combinations which we can use. If you need to take a screenshot of a selected portion of the screen, then press the Shift key, Command, and number 4. Then, simply use your trackpad or your mouse, depending on the device which you're on, to select a part of the screen which you need to capture. Maybe that's a selected app window or whatever it is, it really doesn't matter. Just make a selection, and as soon as you release it, the screenshot will be taken. The third option is to open the screenshot settings or the little toolbar. We can do that by pressing Shift, Command, and then number 5 on your keyboard at the same time, and you'll see this little toolbar where you'll be able to customize things for the screenshot, as well as the screen recording options. You can take your time here and explore these options, but they're pretty basic. When you're ready to take a screenshot, tap on this capture option, and that's it. That is how you can take a screenshot on your Mac device, and if you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like on it. It would really help me out.